Hi everyone. In this video, we're going to take a walkthrough of an exciting new feature in PPC ad editor, our image cropping tool for Google Performance Max, also known as PMAX ads. And this tool is designed to make your image selection process more user-friendly and versatile, allowing you to crop images with specific aspect ratios tailored perfectly for your PMAX ads. Whether you're creating ads for YouTube, Gmail, Google search, or display, the right image size and crop are critical to ensuring your ads look their best. Um, with this new tool, we made it easier to ensure your images meet Google's specifications while giving you more control over how they appear in your ads. And Google PMAX ads are all about showcasing your creative assets in different formats, but not every image you want to use fits perfectly into the different aspect ratios required for various ad placements. Uh, that's where the image cropping tool comes in handy, and longer have to rely on external tools for cropping your images. With our built-in feature, you can crop, adjust, and fine-tune your images directly within PPC ad editor, making the process faster and more seamless. So yeah, let's dive in and let's start with a simple walkthrough that how the cropping tool works step by step. So to get started, simply open the project where you want to edit your ad, and then click on the edit ad and head over to the image and logos section. So once you're in the image section, your image bank will open up. This is where you'll see all the images you've already uploaded. You can select up to 20 images for your ads campaign max, and you even have two options. You even have the option to use your images and logos, or your images as logos, or vice versa. You can also turn logo into an image. So and want to add fresh images? Then no problem. We've got you. We've got you covered. So for that, click on the upload button. Select the images from your device and click open. Once the upload is complete, the tool will automatically generate three different aspect ratios for each image, as you can see here. And this allows you to see how each image will look across various ad placements. So now here's where the magic happens. If you're not satisfied with the automatic cropping or want to adjust the image to focus on the specific part, you can do that manually. And to manually crop, just simply click on the selected three ratios, and where you'll be able to view the three aspect ratios generated by the tool. You can now adjust the crop area to focus on the most important part of your image by dragging and resizing resizing the crop box. And once you're happy with how your image looks across the three aspect ratios, you can click the select three ratios to save your changes. If any of the images don't work for you, you can easily remove them by simply clicking the little cross button on the image. And that's it. This tool is all about giving you the control to fine-tune your images so that they look perfect on every platform. Whether you're working on ads for desktop or mobile or different ad networks, this cropping tool helps you ensure that your visuals are always on point. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe, and hit the notifications bell to stay updated on more PPC ad editor features. And thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye.